Alright, in this video I have a Mcculloch Eager Beaver 327 BC straight shaft gasoline powered string trimmer. I just replaced the primer bulb on it and the fuel line assembly. It's kind of interesting. I thought I would make this video to show you guys the fuel line assortment and also just a general overview of the trimmer. The way the fuel system works on this trimmer, you have this primer bulb here on the left side. Your pickup tube is this one here on the right, and this is the primer return. So on most small 2-cycle engines, the principle is the same, but some of them have an externally mounted primer bulb. The way this works is it actually puts a vacuum on the carburetor side. It does not pick up fuel from the tank and push it into the carburetor like on some 4-cycle lawnmowers and other engines like that. The way this works is it puts a vacuum on the carburetor and draws in fuel through the pickup tube, so it flows through like this into the primer and back to the tank. So you want to make sure that you have the vacuum side of the primer bulb hooked up to the carburetor on this trimmer if you're doing the fuel line replacement. I'll start this trimmer up and show you how it runs. It's in good operating condition and runs very well. I was just fine-tuning the carburetor, so it may need a few final adjustments while cutting the grass, but right now it seems to be working pretty good. This trimmer does have a clutch. It seems to work pretty good. If you have any questions on this machine, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.